Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the page orientation here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the page orientation in Canva is a straightforward process. You can switch between portrait and landscape orientation using few simple steps. Now in my case, I'm going to go to the social media and I'm looking for an option for the Instagram stories. Now, what I'm going to do is upload a specific file. Say for example, I'm going to be using this as an example. I'm going to click on the customize this template. I feel like this design is really cool, but the thing is that I wanted it on the, say for example, a landscape or maybe like a Facebook cover. Now for me to be able to do that, it's really easy. All I have to do is click on this option right here that says resize, wherein you can resize your design into whatever format you need. You see, you can change it to Facebook landscape, which is going to be 940 to 788 pixel, or you can choose the social media again to Instagram ad, TikTok video, Facebook video, depending on your, of course, your preferences. You can also put in the custom size, like a width is 1080, height is 1920, so there's a lot that you can work with. All right. But the thing is, we want to make sure that you are subscribed to a Canva Pro subscription because this tool is only available on the Canva Pro subscription. However, if you're using the free one, you're not going to be able to do that. But don't worry because there's another way for us to be able to change any page orientation. All right, simply go to the file. Just simply click on the create a design. Copy the entire thing here. You see all of this in this one. I'm going to copy this copy style. All right. I'm going to create a new design, maybe like a Facebook landscape or Facebook cover landscape. And from here, all I have to do is paste the video. You see that? One of the easiest way to change page orientation in Canva. All right. And of course, just click on this play button. You would notice that this step will effectively change the page orientation in Canva in a very easy step that can enhance the effectiveness of your design, improve readability, and better align with the intended use for your audience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.